Hey guys, if you're looking to make viral YouTube shorts in 2025, you've come to the right place. Shorts are an amazing way to reach a huge audience quickly, but there's a strategy to making them stand out. Let's jump right in. Pick a trending topic. In 2025, YouTube Shorts is all about keeping it fresh and engaging. Choose a topic that resonates with your audience, like viral challenges, dance trends, pet videos, or even quick tutorials. Check out the trending page on YouTube, or use Google Trends to find what's hot right now. Keep it short. The ideal length for YouTube Shorts is 60 seconds or less. Remember, people have short attention spans. Your goal is to grab their attention within the first few seconds and keep them watching until the end. Whether it's a funny moment or an interesting fact, make sure your content is concise. Capture attention fast. The first 3 seconds are crucial, so make sure you start with something that hooks the viewer. This could be a surprising fact, an eye-catching visual, or a bold statement. Keep the energy high right from the start. Add some flair with music and effects. Music is a huge part of YouTube Shorts, and it's a great way to keep people engaged. Choose a trending song or background music that fits your theme. Also, don't forget to add text overlays, fun transitions, or special effects to make your video pop. Always include a call to action, or CTA. Ask your viewers to like, comment, or subscribe, especially if you want to turn your shorts into a long-term following. A simple like if you agree, or follow for more works great. Post consistently. The more you upload, the more opportunities you have for your shorts to go viral. Create a content calendar, plan out your ideas, and keep the momentum going. Consistency is key to growing your audience. And that's how you make viral YouTube Shorts in 2025. Remember, keep it short, make it engaging, and post consistently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.